Good evening, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. The weekend's looking reasonably trouble-free, and by that I mean not excessively hot and not enough rain to ruin a picnic. But from late Sunday and through most of next week, it's going to start getting really warm and steamy with thick humid air and random heavy storms. Temperatures remain below average for all stations on the Downs, both daytime and nighttime. In Toowoomba the range was 13 to 22 degrees, but 51% humidity is rather high for this time of year. I'll take you to the satellite loop now. We've been seeing the same thunderstorm activity over Western Queensland. It's been going off every afternoon, and some of the catchments out there are getting pretty saturated. Some of the smaller rivers are getting into flood now. On the eastern side, we haven't seen much in the way of weather today, though a bit of cloud did get through to the Darling Downs and even southeast coast. Some light showers, but mostly dry in the tropics. Today's chart, we've got a stubborn, weak high pressure centre that's been sitting around New Zealand. It's almost stationary now, so it's persisting in bringing those relatively mild and moist easterly trade winds, stopping our temperatures from getting out of hand. And there's the inland trough that's produced the storms this afternoon. On tomorrow's chart, notice how that trough washes away in the general northerly flow. A new trough forms over central Australia. It's a stronger one. And then on the outlook chart, that stronger trough moves into eastern Queensland. And from Sunday night onwards, these humid northerly winds will start drawing in that tropical air from equatorial regions. And through most of next week, we'll start to see big thunderstorms developing with that humid air mass. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the Darling Downs and Granite Belt forecast. Showers mainly on the Granite Belt tomorrow and storms in the west. Dalby reaching 29 degrees, same for Gundawindi. Toowoomba just 23, Warwick 11 up to 23. And for the southeast coast, a partly cloudy day, 40% chance of showers. Gatton and Ipswich 27 degrees, Brisbane 25. Looking ahead for Toowoomba, next week will be just like midsummer in most respects. Not super hot in the daytime, but nights will be uncomfortably warm and steamy, and showers and storms brief but potentially heavy. For Warwick, it's the same. As we move on through the second half of the week, the chance of getting a heavier storm becomes greater and greater, especially Wednesday onwards. That goes for Dalby too. Temperatures for Dalby will probably peak around Tuesday at 31 degrees, and then cloud will bring them down again after that. And that's all for this week, folks. No photo tonight. You've had enough of those already. It's been a pleasure to have your company, and I thank you for your patronage to 7 Local Weather. I'm back on Monday. Hope you can join me. Now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. And that's all from us for this Friday. Thanks very much for your company. Just a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app and catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. From all of us here, have a great weekend and hope you can join us again Monday. Good night.